Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your passwords with Bitwarden to a secure export vault, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Bitwarden application on your device. Log into your Bitwarden account using your master password. Once logged in, navigate to the Vault tab. Here, you will see a list of all your stored passwords. Click on the Settings option, typically found in the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, look for the Export Vault option. Click on Export Vault to proceed with the backup process. You may be prompted to enter your master password again for security. After entering your password, choose your preferred export format. Common formats include CSV and JSON. Once you select your format, the export will begin automatically. A download prompt will appear depending on your browser. Save the exported file in a secure location on your device. Consider using an encrypted USB drive for added security. After the download is complete, check the file location to ensure it's saved correctly. It's essential to delete the exported file from your device once you've stored it securely. Remember, this file contains sensitive information. For added protection, consider using encryption software to encrypt the backup file. Regularly update your Bitwarden backup to ensure it reflects your current passwords. After creating your backup, check the Bitwarden app for any recent security updates. Take note of any changes or improvements that may enhance your password security. Following these steps will help keep your passwords safe and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.